So here we have an ice cream maker machine. It comes with a motor with this, which also includes a timer, a place to secure the motor and the timer, like the cover top, and then we have like the outer bowl, and then we have the actual ice cream part, where the ice cream maker part, where it needs to be frozen 8 to 12 hours before use, and then this is to secure the bowl. And then this is to measure the ingredients for the ice cream, like whether we want chocolate, vanilla. And this is an included ice cream scooper. And then this is to stir while it mixes to freeze. Okay, now we're gonna put it together. Yeah, so now it's okay. That's what you do. Yeah. They give you 2 additional pieces in case you lose one. And what you do here is you snap it into this part, and then you put it right into the motor area once you snap in the motor using these 2 buttons right here to take it out and place it back in. So right now I'm actually making the ice cream mixture, which is totally optional. You can customize it as long as it makes something solid like ice cream when you eat it. So if you're lactose intolerant or you're allergic to a certain ingredient, you could just substitute these for something else.
And then we got this one, and then open this a little bit. That's good. This one.
So now that we made our mixture, we're gonna now put this timer all the way to 45 to turn it on. So you actually need a pouring lid to make it easier to make it into the hole to make the ice cream. So now we're pouring it in.
All right, here we go. It's making the ice creams. If you guys can see the side of the walls, I'm gonna try to see if I can get zoom in. You can see it already getting frozen. Now the hardest part is that you have to wait. That's pretty much the hardest part on this thing. We put 45 minutes, so but the consistency depends on how much you want, the thickness of it. Then we're gonna wait a little longer. Normally it takes, less than 30 minutes maybe, but depends on how long you froze the actual. All right, we're in the last minutes, and look at this beautiful ice cream, how it looks like, guys. It's coming along. We can't wait. It's worth the 45 minutes. I say yes, it is. We're almost there. It's looking great. Love the machine so far. All right, the ice cream is done. So we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna unlock it first, all right? Unlock. We're gonna put this to the side. Look how beautiful, creamy ice cream. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Let's try it for the first try. Get a spoon and try it. The best ice cream is way in the bottom. Look how beautiful, rich the ice cream came out. It's super delicious, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video.